Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial on AI with Python, right? Today a lot of programmers have started using AI for programming. In fact, a large number of like uh, listed companies are using AI for their programming tools, and AI is soon replacing human counterparts for basic coding requirements. That is already happening, and if you're not equipping yourself with AI, that's going to be a huge problem for you if you are in this industry, right? So today we will give a quick introduction of how you can create programs, powerful programs, using the power of Copilot, right, which is an AI tool that's embedded with a lot of different applications. Copilot is a Microsoft's application, and it has its APIs with Visual Studio Code, or you are using PyCharm, or you are using HTMLs, or anything, right, for that matter. So here I have a basic installation of VS Code, and I have Copilot. So I will tell you how did I install Copilot. So for Copilot, you have to go into the Explorer, go into the extensions, right? One second, manage extensions. So under manage extensions, you will get GitHub Copilot Chat. So you have to select that, and then you have to click install. Since it's already installed for me, it's giving me the uninstall option. So you will install it from here. So once it's installed, you create a blank folder, like I'm inside AI programming folder, and I will simply create a Python file called calcsum.py, right? And then what I will do is I'm going to right click on here, go to Copilot, and I'm going to add the file to the chat. Okay, so what I will do here is I want to write a simple program where I want to take inputs from the user, two numbers from the user as inputs, and then I want to print out the sum, right? So what I'm going to tell Copilot is write a program to take two numbers as input from user, and then print the sum of those numbers, right? And I hit enter. So see, the entire code already came up on your screen, right? So now what you have to do is you will just have to click right, and then click on, basically you basically have this program written, right? So since I don't have Python installed, I'm just going to install it. Again, I'm going into the extension tab and then installing the Python, right? So that will support me for writing. For now, what I will do is I'm gonna click copy, and I also have PyCharm, so I'm gonna just try that out here itself, right? So I'm gonna paste it here, and then when I hit run, it's saying enter the first number. So I'll give 5, enter the second number, I'll give 6. The sum of 5 and 6 is 11. See, you didn't have to write a single line of code for this program. And the same goes for writing complex programs like a chatbot. Okay, so let's go deeper into that. And what we'll do now is, I think Python is installed here as well, so we can try that out here. So it's 30. So this time what I will do is I will again clean up this sheet, and then I will say create a chatbot to take questions as input and provide appropriate response using AI. It'll take some time because it's a pretty complex piece of code, but see, it's already there. So basically I don't have OpenAI API. So what I'm gonna do is I'll quickly install it using pip install OpenAI. Object not found. Pip. Okay, that's fine. That is fine. So I'll copy this code to PyCharm again, and then I'll go to the terminal and I'll try pip install OpenAI. See, so many lines of code. It's returned in a couple of seconds just. Okay, so it's installed now, right? So let's try running this. So see, it's the chatbot has started. So it says you. Okay, so I'm gonna ask a question. How are you? And then it says, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I'm here to help with your questions. And then I'm saying like, what is the latest version of iPhone, right? And then it will say, for intelligence questions, use API keys. Okay, so it has some limitations, but you get the idea. It created an entire chatbot from start to end with just few lines of, statements written from our end, and it created a comprehensive chatbot. So that's the power of AI I wanted you to show, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video and you understood the power that Copilot and these tools can provide while programming, and basically also explain the pieces of code, right? So, for example, you can what you can do is I'll just stop this for a while, and then I will do keep, and then I'll do keep, right? Maybe I'll just copy this code back into Visual Studio, and then what I will do is I will say explain. There's a function called chat, right? Explain the flow of the function chat. And then I of course have to add the file to the chat. Sorry, I will get some. And then I hit enter. Right, so when I do that, it will explain what this function does. Flow of the chat function. So it says that the initialization, what variables it's initializing, and then what are the loops it's running, what are the inputs that it's taking, what are the if conditions, and what is the purpose of what are the response generation, and the displaying, error handling, everything in detail. So you can easily understand any complex piece of code, even like a smaller part of a huge code using AI, right? So thanks a lot for watching, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so, because I'm gonna bring a lot of AI related videos in future, and that should be able to help you. That's my hope, and thanks a lot for watching again.